Hello dear students. As we all know that in the previous lecture we have studied Mendel's monohybrid cross, where he selected one pair of contrasting characters. Contrasting means opposite characters to study heredity, in which we got the phenotypic ratio, that is 3:1, and the genotypic ratio 1:2:1. I hope students you all have understood it. Now the next experiment performed by the Mendel to study heredity is Mendel's dihybrid cross. Now again, di means two, right? So here Mendel selected two pairs of contrasting characters to study heredity. किसके contrasting characters select किए? Pea plant के. So what is Mendel's dihybrid cross? When Mendel selected two pairs of contrasting characters of a pea plant to study heredity, it is called Mendel's dihybrid cross. Let me give you example here. When we see the example, for example, parents. First I am writing here phenotype. He chose round and yellow seeds of pea plant. For that the genotype will write round, big R, yellow, big Y. Because students, we have studied that these two are the dominant characters shown by the seeds of the pea plant. Then the another parent with which the crossing has been done, sexual reproduction has been done, is having wrinkled and green seeds. So here the genotype will be small r, small y, right? As these two are the recessive characters. So students, tell me, यहाँ पे कितने characters लिए हैं? Are there two characters? Round, that is shape, yellow means color. Again, wrinkled means shape, green means color. So here two pairs of opposite characters. Contrasting means opposite characters are selected, right? By choosing these two pairs of opposite characters, when the next generations were obtained, that is F1 generation and F2 generation were obtained, he concluded round and yellow are the dominant characters and wrinkled and green seeds is a recessive character. Let us study the proof. Now one more thing. After studying this entire proof or the example for the Mendel's dihybrid cross, which law do we get from dihybrid cross? We get the law of independent assortment. Student, if you remember, in monohybrid cross we get law of segregation. Today in dihybrid cross we will study law of independent assortment. Assortment means distribution. But what is the law? First we will study the example and then I will tell you the law. So the parents selected are pea plant with round and yellow seed crossed with pea plant with wrinkled and green seeds having these genotypes. Now students, during sexual reproduction, the two parents first produces gametes, and in the gametes which law is applicable? Correct, law of segregation. Means out of the pair only one of the factor is present in a gamete. Same here, out of the pair only one of the factor. Means RY एक gamete में आएंगे, RY दूसरे gamete में जाएंगे, like gets segregated, separated. Here also we will get then small r, small y, small r, small y. So these are the gametes of the parents. Now either this male gamete will fuse with this female gamete or this male gamete will fuse with this female gamete. So here we get the combination R, R, Y, Y. Students, remember, you will not write R, Y together. R and R for the shape, Y and Y for the color. So you have to make a correct pair here. You will not write directly like this R, Y. Not like this. पहले ये R and R को एक साथ लिखो and Y को एक साथ लिखो. Got it? So here the first character. Same, or if this gamete will fuse with this one, again we'll get the same R, Y. Or this will fuse with this one. Or this will fuse with this. So are we getting the F1 generation? All plants of the same kind. And what is that? All the pea plants in the F1 generation, big R and big Y सब में है. दैट इज डोमिनेंट ट्रेट सब में है. सो ऑल द प्लांट्स इन F1 जनरेशन विल बी हैविंग राउंड एंड येलो सीड्स. सो स्टार्टिंग के ऑब्जर्वेशन में ये कंक्लूड हुआ कि राउंड शेप एंड येलो कलर ऑफ द सीड इज डोमिनेंट, बट स्टिल ही वांटेड टू स्टडी फर्दर. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, F1 जनरेशन के गैमेट्स निकाले और उनके बीच में सेल्फ क्रॉस किया. मतलब F1 के ही 2 प्लांट्स को सिलेक्ट किया एंड उनके बीच में क्रॉसिंग किया एंड उसमें से F2 जनरेशन निकाला. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हियर इज अ चैलेंजिंग पार्ट. इफ you will write the gametes of F1 generation properly, then and then only you will get the remaining answer correct. So here, as we know, out of a pair only one factor is present in a gamete. Suppose big R small r y में से big R आया and big Y small y में से big Y आया, और big R small y आया, और small r big Y, और small y small r small y. See here, ये या ये बाहर आएगा और this will come out, or this and this, or this and this. Are you getting it? So there are 4 possibilities. 4 types of gametes are produced when 2 pair of characters are there. Understood? यहाँ पे एक ही पेयर नहीं है कैरेक्टर का, यहाँ पे शेप एंड कलर दोनों है. ओके, सो दीज आर द गैमेट्स. अब ये जो दूसरा प्लांट है वो भी सेम इसके जैसा है, तो इसके गैमेट्स भी सेम यही होंगे. सो विल राइट द गैमेट्स ओनली वन टाइम. Directly we'll write it down, or we'll explain the F2 generation in this square. What this square is called as, students? Correct. Punnett square. Okay, Punnett square में यहाँ पे जो पहले slot में symbol होता है, what it is? Yes, this is female gamete and this is male gamete. Okay, students? तो चलो यही जो चारों गैमेट्स में मेल एंड फीमेल दोनों तरफ लिख दो. सो इट विल बी राइट, सेम विल राइट इन द मेल कंपार्टमेंट, सॉरी फीमेल कंपार्टमेंट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, now let's go on crossing. See, female will cross with male, female and male gamete, female and male gamete. Like this way we'll go on crossing and we'll write down the genotype here. Okay, so in the first slot, big R, big R, big Y, big Y. See students, the chromosomes responsible for the same character should be written together. In the second column, this combination. Now I will just go on filling it. You do one thing, यहाँ तक तुम कॉपी कर लो, वीडियो पॉज करो, तुम खुद ये सब फिल करो, then on the video and check whether you have filled it correct or not. Simple है, this and this way, this and this, this and this. Are you getting? Female gamete fusing with male. जैसे कि when I am talking here, so this female gamete will fuse with this male gamete. Like this you have to go on crossing and you have to get the baby plants of the F2 generation. You'll do one thing, you pause the video and you fill this column on your own and then check it again. Okay students, so I am done with filling this columns. Now here, यहाँ पे इन सब का ब्रैकेट में नीचे phenotype लिखना है. Means round yellow, wrinkled yellow, round green. Are you getting that way? But I will do one thing. See, you have to make these columns big so that you will be able to write everything over here. So सबसे पहला big R है मतलब round and big Y है मतलब yellow. So round and yellow. I will do one thing. जहाँ पे भी round and yellow I will make star. You are not allowed to do that. ये star, dot, plus ये नहीं करना है. Full words में लिखना है in bracket below them. Okay, but I will do it here. It's allowed for me, not to you. In answer again I'm telling you, star dots में करने वाली वो नहीं करना है. Okay, so here also round and yellow, here also round and yellow, here also round and yellow. Why? Because big R big Y है, मतलब small r small y अपने आप को express करेंगे ही नहीं. Okay, next one is also round and yellow. Correct. Now this is round and small y मतलब green. So it is round and green. ब्रैकेट में लिखो. अब स्टूडेंट्स मैं करूंगी सिर्फ, तुम नहीं. तुमको यहाँ पे सब लिखना है, राउंड एंड येलो, राउंड एंड येलो. ओके, नाउ wherever there will be round and green, I will make a plus sign. So again round and yellow. Here it is round and green. Here it is round and yellow. Here also it is round and yellow. Again this is different one. See here, अब यहाँ पे wrinkled and yellow है. Small r मतलब wrinkled and big Y means yellow. I will make a dot for this. Okay, so see here also wrinkled and yellow. Here round and yellow. Here round and green. Is this there? Yes, round and green. Plus here it is wrinkled and yellow, dot, and last wala one and only one, it is wrinkled and green. So इसके जैसा कोई और नहीं, it's one and only one, right? Now just do one thing, count how many stars. Round and yellow सबसे dominant है. So how many stars are there? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. सो फिनोटाइपिकली मतलब सिर्फ एक्सटर्नली देख के हम बता रहे हैं राउंड एंड येलो है, राइट? सो फिनोटाइपिकली फिनोटाइपिक रेशो आता है, जस्ट राइट इट हियर, 9:3:3:1. 9 मीन्स हियर 9 राउंड एंड येलो, 3 राउंड एंड ग्रीन. देखो +3 है क्या, 1 2 and 3. Then the 3 wrinkled and yellow. See the dots are also 3. 1 2 3. And one and only one wrinkled and green. So is it 9 stars, 3 plus 3 dots and 1 this. So 9:3:3:1 is the phenotypic ratio for the dihybrid cross. Now let us go for genotypic ratio. इसका genotypic ratio तो directly learn ही करना है. It is 1:1:2:2:4:2:1:1. देखो 4 बार 1 है, 1 1 या 11 2s 22, 2 + 2 4. 11 2s 22, 2 + 2 4. Are you getting? या डायरेक्टली यू कैन राइट इन दिस वे. कितने बार 1 है, 1 2 3 4. सो 1:1:1:1. कितने बार 2 है, 4 बार है, 2:2:2:2. एंड कितनी बार 4 है, ओनली 1 टाइम. बट बेसिकली टीचर्स कंसिडर दिस वन रिटर्न इन अ प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस. ओके, ये भी चलता है, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट यही वाला लर्न करो. अब ये कैसे आया? जीनोटाइपिक मीन्स होमोजाइगस राउंड कितने, हेटेरोजाइगस राउंड, होमोजाइगस येलो, हेटेरोजाइगस येलो. ओके, इन दैट वे. सी हियर, इज इट होमोजाइगस राउंड एंड होमोजाइगस येलो? Both are dominant and dominant, right? It is homozygous round but heterozygous yellow. Can you see here? It is heterozygous round and homozygous yellow. तो ऐसे काउंट करते जाना, इनके जैसा कोई है क्या? तो 1:2:2:2 like that this entire come. But students, यहाँ पे तुमको लिखना कंपलसरी नहीं है. 1 means what, 2 means what, 4 means what. Here also 9:3:3:1 क्या कंपलसरी? It's not necessary. Only thing your phenotypic ratio in the dihybrid cross should come 9:3:3:1 and genotypic ratio should come this. Okay, so I hope you all understood what is dihybrid cross. Now students, the last point about this topic is, from the Mendel's dihybrid cross we get the law of independent assortment, that is distribution of gametes is independently. Means what? Simply see, here is there is an inheritance only one character or more than one pair of characters? Correct. When more than one pair of characters are inherited simultaneously. Then, during the formation of gametes, the factors are distributed independently. मतलब क्या? अब यहाँ पे देखो, ये वाला देखो, big R, small r, big Y, small y. So gametes contain all the 4 types of chromosomes: dominant shape, recessive shape, dominant color, recessive color. But जब ये gametes में distribute हो रहा है, are the factors, that is R, R, Y, Y, are the factors distributed independently in the gamete. Independently means, is it necessary that dominant should come with dominant only? If you'll see here, dominant is distributed with recessive. Same here, recessive is distributed with dominant. Here recessive comes with recessive. So these are all possibilities. It's not necessary that dominant chromosome ही dominant chromosome के साथ gametes में present होगा, inherit होगा. No, dominant chromosome can inherit with recessive chromosome also. So when more than one pair of character is inherited simultaneously, then during the distribution of factors in a gamete, the factors are distributed independently. Distributed means assorted independently. Understood, students? So here we completed Mendel's dihybrid cross. Now what if you'll see here, this should be the presentation of answer. ये वाला सब एक साइड में आना चाहिए. नो नीड टू ड्रॉ लाइन हियर, लाइन नहीं ड्रॉ करना है, आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू. ये सब एक साइड में आ रहा है. फिनोटाइप के आगे फिनोटाइप ही लिखा है, जीनोटाइप के आगे जीनोटाइप ही. इफ यू सी F1 जनरेशन, मेरा हाँ F1 के आगे ही F1 जनरेशन है, गैमेट्स के आगे ही गैमेट्स है, F2 के आगे ही F2, राइट. इट शुड नॉट लाइक अप एंड डाउन, F1 जनरेशन ऊपर है और लिख रहे हो नीचे, नहीं. इट शुड बी फ्रंट टू फ्रंट. ओके, वन अबव वन बिलो द अदर, स्टेप बाय स्टेप लिखना है. पेज अगर ख़त्म हो गया तो नेक्स्ट पेज पे कंटिन्यू करना है इन दिस वे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो स्टडी दिस वेल. Tomorrow I will send you the last video of this chapter in which we will start evolution part. Actually it is omitted, but still I am going to send it. And Wednesday we will have a live lecture in which we will discuss about dihybrid cross and the remaining part of evolution. Okay students, thank you. But do watch tomorrow's video also. Then and then only you can understand what will go on in the live session on Wednesday.